Assalamu alaikum everyone. I would like to welcome you all to my Excel playlist. In today's video, we are going to learn about calculation of utility bills. So here you can see that some of the conditions which we are going to use in if function, the rate at the unit range, and this is a chart with the utility bill users and their unit consumed. So we are going to calculate their bills. So as far as the Excel formula, we are going to use the if function again. So if function, then as far as the logical test, we are going to use this, then greater than or equal to, it shows the first condition, then this would be multiplying by the rate, which is 3. Then if again, because there are multiple conditions, so this condition shows that if the uses will be greater than or equal to 200 unit, uh, the consumed rate will be multiplying by 6. Then if again, because this is the last conditions, the last condition shows that if the unit consumed will be more than that, the rate would be multiplying by 8. And then we are closing this formula by closing our bracket. So this is the formula to calculate the bills. Yes, this is the bill. And now we are going to the next phase, which we are going to freeze all the things except this unit consumed, because it is changeable. So except this, we are going to freeze them all. So firstly this, sorry, this, all of them except B3 and this. Yes, we have done now. Then we are going to drag it down till Rahman. Yes, this is their bills as far as their uses and others. Now we would like to calculate the payable amount. So to calculate the payable, we would like to input then the equal sign first, then press this, then we are going to multiplying this VAT. So starting our brackets, then 1 plus, sorry, 1 plus this VAT. So we are closing our brackets. So this is the payable amount for the first person, which is Ashik, and its payable amount is 231. So we would like to know the other payable amount now. So we are going to fix this amount because the VAT will be fixed for everyone. So this we have done now. Then we would like to drag this down till Rahman. Yes. So this is their amount. This is the payable amount of their utility bill. So thank you everyone.